So this is the program that we are planning. We have lost complete faith in Mines Department. It is a scandal and shameful that the Goa government informs the High Court that the ore does not belong to them, it belongs to mining companies. The ore is handed over to them by the court, but they say we don't want it, please give it to the mining companies. This is the state of the government today. So we are totally ashamed of this, and we say that this should not have happened. Go back to the set up the corporation. We said you can set up a corporation in 2 to 3 weeks. There is not much work. If they want, we will show them how to set up a corporation, but at least they should set it up so that we don't continue with this. There are a lot of people, and I am also, we are been very critical of mining, but we also say very clearly that people in mining areas need to be helped. There is a lot of work to be done. But if there is a government in power, something will happen. Today we regret that there is no government. The CAC has totally failed, and I don't think that in these circumstances we are going to see anything except dark clouds in the days ahead. In the area of recovery of the minerals, despite our best efforts with the government, they have refused to do anything to touch the mine owners and the wealth which they have accumulated. Most of the wealth has been transferred abroad to Cayman Islands and to other offshore accounts. And now they are telling the workers, we have no money to pay salaries. But they have transferred all the money to offshore accounts, and that is why they don't have money to pay for their workers and for their administrative staff today in the mining companies. So this is the status. So what we have decided is, today we have asked our fellow people who are fighting also on the PDA, we have decided to move to the Mines Department, which is next door, and we want to lock it up. We want to physically lock it up. Because if this department continues operations, they will ensure that all the ore is stolen by all these people, so that nothing comes to the benefit of the Goans at all. And then we propose to go to the police station and ask them at least to look after the ore better than these people have looked after the ore. These people have really 65,000 crores of money which has to come back to the Goans from 5 years of illegal mining. They have done nothing to start the recovery. We are going to start the recovery by filing petition in June. But they are not interested, they are not showing any interest. The Sesagore is there, Siddhartha Goa Hotel is there. All these assets can be claimed by the government and sold off to recover the money, but they are not interested in doing anything of the kind. This is the status. It is the citizens who have to go back to the court all the time to get these orders, because the Goa government just does not want to do anything to recover this money. So as the Goa Foundation, we have taken a policy decision that on all aspects of relief in the villages, we will be at the forefront, and we will get the money for them, because 200 crores is available in the government, and if it is not used for this purpose, it will simply go for purchasing vehicles and building roads for the mining industry, which we will not allow. And the Supreme Court has accepted the Goa Foundation's allegation and has asked the state government to file an affidavit on what happened in Goa in the mining leases from 7th February 2018 to 15th of March. And they have also given the right to the Goa Foundation to file a counter. So all the facts relating to this period will now come on record officially in the Supreme Court. And then I have a feeling that the Supreme Court will confiscate everything. If it confiscates everything, that means all the ore will belong once again to the people of the state. That means we will have something like 15 million tons of ore for transportation if the government has got brains. The government is sleeping, so that 15 million tons is going to remain there, and no work will be given to either the truckers or the barge owners, because there is no plan of action of the government at this particular time. And we have said in our proposal to the government that there is work for everybody in mining areas for the next 10 years, because 750 million tons of ore is there in all the dumps to be relocated, put back in mining pits. There is a lot of ore which can be processed by village level communities. They can do dry screening, they can do wet screening of the ore, they can make a good income out of it. and there is enough work for 10 years. They don't need to dig anymore. And I don't think they will be able to dig anymore because the mines are left in such an unsafe condition that it is not possible to operate them. I do not think any auction is possible, and we are renewing our demand. We are renewing our demand. Do not go for auction. Go only for Goa Mineral Development Corporation. Only that is the quickest way to do some work. And we have now opened negotiations with the trucking associations, and we are opening negotiations also with the barge owners. Because if they are relying on the government, nothing will happen. So we are going to open the negotiations, and we are going to try and bring them on our side so that they can have a proper plan for the next 10 years to repair the environmental damage done to Goa, take 750 million tons of material and put it back where it belongs, and not leave it out there so that it goes in the rivers and nalas and fields and whatever it is.